Now, Coco, remember the rules for fog. Go slow, put your lights on glow, and blow your horn.
Oh, yeah, I remember. Slow, glow, blow. Slow, glow, blow. That was train-tastic.
Stormmaker, stop the fog, please.
Fog, stopping.
Wowzer! That's the most amazing thing I've ever seen! My go!
OK, Wilson, how about a wind blowing right in your face?
Perfecto!
Stormmaker, headwind, please. Level 6.
Confirmed. Stand by.
Whoa! Faster, Wilson, faster! Wahey! I'm riding a storm! That was fun!
Well done, Wilson. And remember, trainees, if you're struggling in a strong wind, it's best to couple up with another chugger.
Really? Why?
Because you'll be heavier, and that will make you stronger.
Job done, B. What's next?
I don't have anything at the moment, Harrison.
Want to come and see the trainees in the storm simulator? It sounds rather fun.
Why not? I've got nothing else to do.
All right! A strong wind for a strong chugger!
Slow and steady, Brewster.
What else can it do, Dunbar? Oh, Stormmaker, lightning, please.
It only responds to my voice. Remember, Wilson.
Oh, Bumpers, can you ask for me, please?
All right, then. Stormmaker. Thunder and lightning, if you would.
Stand by.
Get ready, Brewster. It's coming at ya. Whoa! What was that?
Breaking with style.
No, I'm out, you two.
Ah, Karen, load me up. Watch and learn, Wilson. Watch and learn.
What a day!
You have been running around a bit.
Yes, I'm surprised I haven't overheated.
All done, Harrison. Could you drop them off at the Stoneworks, please?
It'd be my pleasure, Karen. Come along, Wilson.
Harrison, did you hear that?
The countryside is full of strange noises. Nothing to worry about.
But it sounds like it's following us.
Peace at last.
Oh, it's good to take the weight off my wheels.
Oh, yes.
You won't believe the day I've had.
Really?
Well, it started nicely enough with a lovely chug wash and polish.
Right.
That Laurie's such a sweet girl.
Yeah.
Then out of the blue, V sent me to the quarry of all places. And you know, Chatsworth...
Actually, I'm really rather
I'm not
tired.
one to switch tracks when it comes to hard
Yeah.
work, but I think sometimes
Please.
you have to try. But I have to say that V
Stop
was so
talking.
understanding
What was I saying?
in the end.
Huh?
And Harrison...
There was no need to wait up.
Actually, I had just gone to sleep.
Oh, sorry, Chatsworth. Still, you'll soon nod off again. I know I will. Good night.
Maybe I can come up with a new flavour to help him. Let me think. Mixed treacle and... toothpaste! Mixed rhubarb and radish! Mixed toffee and tuna fish! Mixed banana and baked beans! Oh, tuna fish! Toothpaste! Huh? Oh, Bumpers! Couldn't you go for just 10 minutes?
Wait, I will send my assistant. Don't worry, V. The children will have their ice cream.
Great idea. Thanks, Frostini.
Frostini. I was trying to be helpful, but something went wrong with the mixer.
I have 3 hours to come up with a masterpiece, and you have broken my mixer!
I'm really sorry.
Go and clean yourself up.
Yes, Frostini. I'll go straight to the chug wash.
Then you will go to the safari park and serve ice cream to the children. Now leave me in peace to come up with a miracle.
Yes, Frostini. Good luck, Frostini.
Someone, fetch me a new mixer! Presto! Oh.
Ice cream, wash away my ice cream. that tickled.
No. Oh, nothing is singing to me. Unless... Mix orange blossom and strawberry essence. No, it's ordinary. And Frostini does not do ordinary. He does magnifico. He does fantastico.
I can't hear anything.
What are you two doing?
Brewster thinks that there's something in the tunnel.
Yeah, some of the animals got out of the safari park last night, and I think one of them's in there. Ooh. There was a growling noise. Everybody, keep quiet and let's listen.
Think you must have been hearing things, Brewster.
No, there was growling. Honest.
Come on, Wilson. We'd better make our deliveries.
But...
Whoa! Who's that?
He thinks we're playing a game.
A game?
What are you doing? Oh, I get it. You can't catch us. Gotcha. 2 down and 1 to go.
It could be a lion.
Or an elephant.
Or it could be something we've never even seen before.
Like what?
Like... a dragon.
A dragon?
Yeah, Emery said the dragon got out last night too.
Seffy's heading straight for the tunnel.
Tell her to stop.
Stop, Seffy!
Now, where is that little frog hiding?
You should do your frog call, Vicky. See if he answers.
Well, anything's worth a try.
Maybe that cow speaks frog.
Whew. This is heavy.
Oh, I think I tried to take too much.
This is harder than it looks.
A steady pace and an even load. It's the way to ride this road.
But I'm the fastest chugger.
Maybe V was right about him.
Whew. I can't wait to get rid of this heavy car.
Yeah. Next time, I'm making sure my weight is even.
I've never seen anyone haul a load like you, Pete.
Well, I have been doing it a long time. Job well done, youngsters. Let's get home.
Race you back to the depot.
I'll beat you this time.
Hey, head start. Not fair.
Oh, I wish I had some of this.
I thought we were racing. Yeah. Why have we stopped?
Let's go exploring. We can race anytime. Don't you want to see that old town?
It does sound really cool.
Oh, I don't know, Coco. Shouldn't we wait for Pete?
But he's still miles away. We'll be back before he even gets this far. Or are you scaredy chuggers?
Of course not.
Then what are we waiting for? Let's roll!
Wow, look at this place.
Cool. So this is where Chuggington began.
Everything looks so old.
Even older than old Puffer Pete.